All right, YouTube. We got this package as well. Interesting. And I think that this package is my new Shears that I got, and I'll make sure to put the link in the description. So this is the first thing that's in here. These are the Shears. Let me move that to the side. See what we got. I like this case. I like that it comes in a case, and it looks like it came with a cape as well. So that's always handy. Now I've got 3 capes since I just started doing this hair 6 months ago, and I've ended up with 3 capes already. So here we go. Let's take a look at this leather case. It's actually, it feels like genuine leather. If it's, no, this is probably more than likely leather. But it's got a nice feel to it. It feels like leather. And actually has some texture, so let's give it a go. Big, nice zipper. Open that sucker up, see what we got. Okay, so we have these shears, which these are nice. And what I was excited about with these is that they have this adjustable knob here. So where you could adjust the shears. And I don't really know that much about shears, but I want to learn about that adjustment. Like, will that help to keep them sharp longer? What does that mean? So it feels good in my hand. Feels good in my hand. I like that it's got some cushion inside the holes there. So if you're holding it for a long time, you know, and it's got a nice little bump stop there. Little bump stop to make sure that they don't hit together. It seems a little not as smooth to close as the last shears that I had. Or maybe that's because of this tension. Maybe that's what that is. So let me turn it just a touch. That did make it a little bit smoother. Let me try it again. Just a touch. Yes. Yeah. I do like these. Let's see how they cut. Got a dread here, just a piece of dread. Oh, okay. Okay. That was a pretty smooth cut. All right. So I like this. And trash cans out. Okay. Set that to the side. Then we also got some clips. 3 clips. In my favorite color, purple. I'm excited about that. 2 combs. Oh, this is the comb I was excited about. This is the thinning comb. And what I was excited about with this is that it's got a razor blade in there. And so you can thin the hair out. I didn't know that the teeth would be longer on one side than they are on the other side. I've never used this tool, but I've got a mannequin head now that I'm going to be practicing on. It's got pretty long hair, so I'm going to practice with this tool on that mannequin head. I love these combs. I got a few of these. I was actually at work the other day, and there was a barber program, and the youth were working with the barber program, and the young man dropped his he dropped his guard while he was doing his haircut. And of course, the rule is when you drop your guard, you don't pick it up. You don't reuse it. It has to be sanitized. So he dropped his guard, and he only had one number 1 guard. So I was telling him, you can use this comb as a guard, because he still had his comb, but he was kind of panicked. So that's nice to have a lot of those, because if you drop one, or if you need one in a hurry, or you lose your guard, you can always use that comb. So these shears are, I've never used a pair of these. I think they're also thinning shears like this. But I like the way that feels in my hand, just like the other one. It feels good just as this one does. And it also has the cushion on the inside, the bump stop. And yeah, that feels good in my hand. So, excuse my ashy hands, I didn't put any lotion on. But there's that. And then we've got, I guess this is, it looks like a makeup brush. That's what I would think this is, but it's going to be a brush to dust the hair off of people's faces. So I like that. I'm going to use that, definitely. What's this? This looks like just a piece of felt. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe it's to demonstrate the cutting? No, usually cut these, cut the hair with these. But, well, this was a nice set. I would definitely put the link below to this set, although I don't know what this is for. If anybody knows what this piece of felt comes with it for, please let me know. And as always, please like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Come back for more.